Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Jonathan here. Hey, just want to give you a quick sneak peek as to what I got going on. I know I haven't made a 3D printing video in a while, mainly because I wanted to change up how it looked and how I presented it, and open myself up for maybe live streams and things like that. So right now, what you're looking at is pretty much the hub of what I'm doing, of my new setup, of what my new setup is about. And this is the Atem Mini. It's from Blackmagic Design, and this is a switcher. Pretty much same process as, say, a studio switcher and somebody's studio big wig or whatever. But hey, this is for the YouTube crowd and anybody who wants to do their own thing. And what this allows you to do is hook up to 4 different cameras that you can hook into it, and you can actually switch between them on the fly without having to worry about using any software that you have that's built into your computer that may tax your computer. Say your computer isn't like the fastest, so you don't have the best graphics card. Well, this thing is going to handle a lot of the work for you, and all you have to do is maybe tweak a couple things here and there, and then after that you're done. But what you're looking at right now, that's the switcher itself. Now I can go to a different camera. Boom, that's my A6000. It's an old camera, but it gets the job done, and that's primarily looking at my 3D printer, which is the Artillery Sidewinder. Great printer, but that's the one I make a lot of big prints off of. And then I can also switch to my overhead camera, which is over at my workstation, and that is the Sony RX0. And pretty much that's where you're going to see a lot of the work that I do. Of course, sanding, getting rid of 3D prints, supports, things like that, painting. That's kind of stuff I like to show on this overhead, as well as unboxings, things like that. But you see how easy it is for it to switch, even to the point where I can actually put picture in picture on this thing if I want to do picture in picture, and I can easily turn it on and it'll show me whatever's on my camera 1. So right now my camera 1 is my RXO. So again, I can move this thing around different spots, and I think I can go into software and make it bigger, but again, I gotta get more used to this this software that came with it, which right now I'm not using any of the software. This is all built in, but when I dive in deep to it, I'll be able to do a couple more things. But hey, just wanted to show you guys this. I think this is really cool. Wanted to share. So stay tuned. I got more coming.